Hello friends, today I'm going to do one demo for motion capture. Motion capture is recording body movement. Okay, so I'm using Microsoft 360, Xbox 360. So there are many ways to record body movement. The separate special devices are available, but I'm using this one. Okay, you can see that device in on my screen. And also you need to buy one adapter separately because it's not coming with this device, which contains data cable and power cord as well as. Okay, for implementing this stuff, there are many YouTube channel are available. One of the best one I can say about the one you can see it, but this is for Xbox version 2, so I cannot use it directly. So I will recommend another one that work for me. Both links are given in my description. This channel helped me a lot installing drivers and checking with one third-party software called NiMate. For character designing, I use Make Human open source software. I designed one person, actor, but I don't know whether it's representing or not. Initially, I started exporting in .fx, but it's not worked for me and the mess is distorted. For rig selection, I selected CMU. With help of Make Human add-on, I imported this character on fly into Blender. So I am getting real-time changes. Before jumping into Blender, let us have a look at NiMate. Let's collect the 3D coordination from Xbox. After initiating the application NiMate, you will see a window like that and it disable the hands. Okay, you need to select only skeleton tracking. By default, this application imaged at the right side of notification, and click open and show output. It will display depth value image. So it will try to calibrate the image object. Okay, after that we come to Blender. I am closing this file right now. This is for how I have integrated all tools like NiMate, Make Human and Blender. I am using the ready-made one which is available in from the channel where I have downloaded. The link is given in the description. Okay, I don't like to reinvent all the stuff like receiving data from Xbox 360 and retargeting into a rig. This kind of task is already done in this sample file. They have provided one rig, so I'm using that rig and retargeting their bones into my rig. Okay, let us start the application NiMate. So click control interface, select skeleton tracking and disable the hands. Now click the start button. Now you will see the rig is receiving the data from device, I mean Xbox 360, which is mapped into the sample rig which is I downloaded. Okay, now we are going to retarget from the sample rig which is connecting with the device. So first you need to select our own rig and go to bone constraint, in which select copy rotation. Select the target rig is the sample rig which is connecting to the device, and select the bone which is you want to retargeting. So I'm selecting arm left. Okay, and don't change anything, keep as it is. Follow the same like right to right, left to left. In fact, already I have retargeted all the corresponding bone with the source and destination. Okay, let us start. Okay, something went wrong. I think I have set the rig in reset position, so I need to change it to post position. Okay, that's all. Because there is no one in front of the device, so it's showing the already recorded, already received data. That's all. This is the way that I have implemented. Here I have to say one thing. Source rig is already available in the one channel, that is I have given the description. So I have download their rig only. I did not do anything at all because I don't like to redo all the things, because there are many issues, so they have fixed it. So simply I am using their rig, and I designed my own character, so and retargeting from their source rig to my rig. That's all. So I would like to say, if you have any doubt or anything related to the source rig, kindly go through their YouTube channel. Okay. Apart from that, you can do comments in my channel, so I will try to answer if you have any questions. Actually, I have spent lot of time for getting a satisfied result. Finally, I got a good result from this. Okay, it's really worked fine for me.